The 2022-2024 Jeep Wagoneer key fob uses a CR2032 battery. A weak battery can cause signal issues, especially in cold weather. Replacing it yourself is a simple way to save time and money. This video will guide you through the process, ensuring you can quickly restore your fob's functionality. We'll cover everything you need to know, from tools to troubleshooting. Your Wagoneer key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a standard 3-volt lithium battery commonly used in small electronic devices. These batteries are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, auto parts stores, and online retailers like Amazon. You can find them in the electronics or battery section. Expect to pay around $5 to $10 for a pack of these batteries, making replacement very affordable. Confirm the battery type before purchasing to avoid compatibility issues. The CR2032 has specific dimensions and voltage requirements. Using the incorrect battery could damage the fob, potentially causing malfunction or voiding any warranty. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. These tools help you open the key fob casing without causing damage to the plastic or internal components. Avoid using sharp or metallic objects that could scratch or break the fob. A soft cloth or tape can protect the surface during prying. First, locate the small seam on the back of the key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and twist slightly to pop the case open. Be careful not to force it. Once open, remove the old battery, noting which side faces up, plus. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Carefully snap the case back together until it clicks shut. After replacing the battery, test the key fob's functionality by pressing the lock, unlock, panic, and liftgate buttons near your Wagoneer. If the fob doesn't work, double-check that the battery is correctly installed with the positive side up and that the case is fully closed. Try cleaning the battery contacts with a dry cloth to ensure a good connection. Avoid using excessive force when opening the key fob, as this can break the plastic clips. Make sure not to touch the battery terminals with your fingers, as oils can interfere with conductivity. Don't expose the fob internals to moisture, which can damage the circuit board. If the fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery and troubleshooting, you may need to visit a Jeep dealer for reprogramming. In cold weather, battery life can decrease. Storing your key fob in a warmer place like a glove compartment can extend battery life. Consider purchasing aftermarket fob kits with reprogrammable chips to bypass dealership fees if reprogramming is needed. Jeep's Uconnect system now supports over-the-air firmware updates for fobs in select 2023 to 2024 models, allowing button reprogramming via the infotainment screen. Key fob technology is rapidly evolving beyond simple battery-powered remotes. Modern trends focus on connectivity, sustainability, and reduced maintenance. One major trend is Bluetooth-enabled fobs that pair with smartphones, providing extended range and app-based controls. This allows features like remote start and door monitoring through your phone. By 2024, over 60% of new Jeep vehicles, including Wagoneers, come equipped with this technology. Future Wagoneer models may adopt energy-harvesting fobs powered by kinetic motion or solar energy, eliminating the need for battery replacements entirely. This technology uses movement or light to generate power, making key fobs truly maintenance-free. Prototypes from competitors show this could arrive in Jeep vehicles by 2026. Environmental trends are pushing for recyclable batteries and longer-lasting power sources. Current CR2032 batteries in key fobs now last 2 to 3 years thanks to low-power chips, and manufacturers are developing eco-friendly options. Look for recyclable battery packs and aftermarket kits with reprogrammable chips to reduce environmental impact. To stay prepared for future key fob maintenance, monitor Jeep's over-the-air firmware updates and service bulletins. Trends show a rise in aftermarket fob kits with reprogrammable chips offering cost-effective alternatives to dealership programming. Staying informed ensures you can adapt to these technological advancements.